Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo using templates. Last time I put two videos based on this. First one was introduction and the second one was part 1. Now if you have not watched the videos, I'll put in the description below. You go to the link and watch the video. And this is part 2. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and all notification bell and like the video. One like motivates me. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. So log on to the website www.freelogodesign.org. Now when I log on to the website, it asks me to create a logo. So my company name will be Chip Chunk, and my category will be food and drink. Now this time I'll not close this tab. Now I'll look it inside this thing. Let me look what I can find. Yeah, there you go. So I will design this template. So now for what I'll do, the first thing is I will click on this chip and I will change the font of this. I will go to handwritten and I'll go to this. Now do the same one again. Go to chip. Now go to chunk. So chunk, I'll go to here. Yeah, same font. And yeah, there you go. And this one. I make this little small because now I'm going to fit a big shape. So it will not fit it completely. So I'll put a shape. Okay. I'll make this little small and I will increase. Make it bigger little. Yeah. And I'll make a little bigger from here and I'll make a little from here and I will keep it over here. Now I'll make this a little top. I'll click on the circle from the item side and I will place it over here. There you go. And now I'm going to bring a shape which is called Pentagon. Now I will take the big pentagon and I will place it over the candy. And if you saw my part 1 video, then you will have noticed that I have put a shape over it. So you can make sure watch that video. And I will be not putting this thing over here. I mean that I'll not put this color over that. I will change the color. Okay, I changed the color. Oh, sorry. I'll put the candy a little taller. Wait, sorry. I'll tap the color, and I will put the circle a little down. I meant, yeah, a little down. Oh, yeah, there you go. It's better to make it a little taller and a little bigger. Yeah, should fit it. Yes, there you go. Perfectly fitted inside. Now I'll put another shape so that I don't need a background to be fitted on. And this time I'll put this shape onto the whole entire thing. Now this will not be black, and this one will be like this. Now I'll put it completely sent to back and I will change the color of this. Now I'll wait a second. I will change the color of this particular shape. I'll make it a little sort of orange color and I will put this color to green. And this is your logo. Okay, wait, let me do some adjustment. Yeah, okay, let it remain. Okay, one second, yeah, there you go. So now what we will do is, now we will download the logo. Now once we download it, it will tell your logo has been saved. And now we will go for Loris, and the logo will be sent into mail. You need to put your first name and last name and put your email ID where you have to send to. Once you put the mail, download my logo. So it will go to your mail as well as it will download in your files. It will tell you to create a website. If you want, you can, otherwise I will ignore it. I hope if you like the video, uh, click subscribe and turn on notifications, like and comment on the video. Bye, see you next time. Till then, stay tuned.